excited. I just got this Joby, I've forgotten the name. I don't know, whatever it's called. And so now I can take you around with me, which is cool. Yay! What is it called? It's a camera mount, isn't it? I don't know, yeah. It's a Joby camera mount, people, and I just got it so that I can do like vlogs better. So I'm excited, and so I thought I'd show you. This is completely irrelevant because it has nothing to do with my video. But yeah, this is what I'm like. I just kind of get sidetracked. I'll be back with the video. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video about the Elvie breast pump because I got one and I want to kind of show you the unboxing, how it comes and why I think it's good. But first I just wanted to show you these because I think they're really cute. It's completely nothing to do with an Elvie breast pump, but it is baby related. So I should have taken out the packaging before. I'm having a little girl and I don't know about you, but I'm like obsessed with girly things. I found these, they're on Amazon. And I've seen loads of people put their babies in them, but I think they're so cute. And they're these little turbans. Like, look how cute that is. And I don't know. And I've got one in grey too. So I've got one in grey and cream. And I just wanted to show you them because I think they look really cute and adorable. And I'm so excited. And although, I don't know, I feel like it's quite big. I feel like I could almost put this on, but I'm not going to try, but I don't want to stretch it. Well, I hope they fit because, I don't know, I feel like her head's going to be a little bit more tiny than that, but maybe I got the wrong size. Link this just because if anyone's interested in having a cute little turban thing. Yeah, they are so cute. Anyway. Back to the Elvie unboxing. So, okay, so I got my Elvie pump from John Lewis. Honestly, I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I will link the price below. It was something crazy, like, I think it was over £200 for this. Yeah, I know, expensive. And the thing that drew me to it is because it said it's a silent wearable pump, and I don't know, in my mind I just thought, well, that makes sense, it being silent. And my dog, she always makes noise whenever I'm trying to do a video. So yeah, it says fits into your bra and fits into your life. And I have seen loads of people on Instagram and with YouTube videos talking about this Elvie breast pump. So I thought, oh, okay, I know it's expensive, but everyone who has one seems to think it's great. I mean, unless they're being paid to say that, I don't know. Because they get it free? I don't know. But I thought, I'll try it. So I just took off the lid. I don't know if you can see it. So I just took off the lid. And you can see on the lid, it's, you know, literally someone's wearing it in their bra. Lovely. Perfect. Just what I want. Pump in peace, anytime, anywhere. See, I don't know. I find that funny to believe because I'm like, well, if you've got a giant, I mean, this isn't exactly small. If you've got like a giant piece of plastic sat on your boob, and it only comes with one, so surely someone is going to see that there is one side a little bit bigger than the other, but you know, whatever. Hassle-free, quick to assemble, easy to clean, no cords, no wardrobe changes, no fuss. And then I think I said it before, that it has this app that you can monitor the milk volume in real time. I'm not really sure what that means yet, but you know, whatever, I'll find out. So anyway, I took off the lid and it comes like this. This is separate. So this is it. This is the pump. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's, like I said, it's a little bit bigger than I thought, but I suppose it has to be if it's gonna catch anything. And it's got this like plastic, it's not like silicone rubber that like perhaps I would have thought it would be. It's kind of like hard plastic, so I don't know, and obviously that's where your boob goes. and it's got an on and off button. It's left and right. I think I watched in a video that the left and right is more to do with the app, so that it can just know which side you've expressed from, so because that's helpful. Apparently I've yet to learn. And then yeah, there's like, it looks like an on and a pause button, and then like a plus and a minus. So I don't know if that's like the speed of what it pumps, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And I think this button here is, oh yeah, so you just take this off. This is one of the little bottles, and I can see it's got like fluid ounces and milliliters that way. Oh yeah, that's quite easy to put back in when you get it the right way. Yeah, so in and out like that. Cool. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Then the other stuff you get in the box. So it definitely tells, so it has this like piece of paper which tells you download the app, make sure you charge Elvie pump, and download the app. So I'm guessing it's just trying to make sure you charge it ahead of time, which, you know, makes sense. Oh no, look, sorry, it does come with another one. Is that another one? I don't know, actually, that looks a bit different. Oh, okay, so it comes with 2 of these like plastic things, but the main device, this thing, there's only one. So you take those off, and there's just one of these, and there's a spare one of those. So I guess, yeah, you can clean it, so, or something. I wonder how easy this is to put back on. Oh yeah, that's pretty easy to put back on. I did this before. Okay, so yeah, it's easy to take apart and put back together again. It has this silicone, I don't even know what this is. Anyway, it has that. And it comes with 2, I think they're lids. They must be for the bottles, yeah. 2 lids for these little bottles. So there's 2 of those. There's also a little bag for your pump. I think it's just for the main part of the pump, not the bottles, but you can fit the whole thing in. That's handy, you can take that with you. It's a oh no, yeah, so it's a USB charging cable. Most people have a charger that has a USB cable, so that's probably easy, but it doesn't come with the actual, you know, thing that you plug in the wall, so that's something to note. And then just some instructions. It's quite thick actually. They have a lot to say how to use this device. Those green things are a shield. I think you can pretty much wash everything except the electronics, this thing, which is good to know. And it looks pretty straightforward. So yeah, I just turned 32 weeks, so I'm officially 8 months pregnant. In a couple of months I can let you know if it was worth it. So stay tuned and you will find out if it was worth it. In my next video, I am going to talk a bit more about some other pregnancy things that I've purchased. I'm going to show you my pram, I'm going to talk about car seats. Actually, I haven't got a car seat, so I need to get that. And yeah, I'm doing some NCT classes this weekend, so I can let you know about that, whether I recommend it or not. So far, I feel like it feels, I mean, they're on top of it. You know, they sent me a questionnaire. I've got some videos to watch, so I feel like it's going to be quite informative and kind of like being back at school again. But I don't know. That's just an assumption. I will let you know. Just general pregnancy things. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.